WhatsApp new update as avatar. So if you want to get to know about the WhatsApp new update, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection, and then you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. Once you're here, you need to go for the search. Under search, you need to search for WhatsApp. And once you search for WhatsApp, now if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go and update your application, because if you have not updated, then you will not have that feature. So simply go and update your application. Once you update it, you can open up your WhatsApp application. Go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, here you will have an option of the name, or you will have your profile, right? So under this profile, you will have avatar on the third option. Tap on avatar. Once you tap on avatar, now here, if you've not created your avatar, then you will have an option of create your avatar. Simply tap on it, and then you can create your WhatsApp avatar. But if you want to customize it, then you can simply go for the pencil shaped icon, which is here on the right side, and you will have this kind of interface where you can create your avatar, or where you can customize your avatar. So once you've customized, then you can simply tap on save, which is on the upper right, and then you can save, and you will have a new avatar on your WhatsApp. So that's all about the WhatsApp new update about avatar, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.